Hey! Open door. I know they go. Open door.
Which door?
Door now. They go.
No, I come.
No, come open door. I know they go.
You don't wake up.
Don't wake up like 6 o'clock. Come open door. I know they go.
6 o'clock, you know say yourself now. You do me well yesterday. You carry me go far. So I dey enjoy the sleep.
Come open the door. Come they go. Stand up. Come open the door.
You don't dey go? Calm down now. But you no go collect money. I never give you money now.
It's true. Oh yeah, Oga, pay me. I know they go. Come pay me. I will go.
Calm down. I'm tired. You do me well.
Yeah!
I put money for here now. Wait, let me see your back.
Wait, nah.
Which one you wait?
Nothing is now. Why now?
Why you go hold my hand? Hey, open this. Hey! Chineke! So you won't carry my money wrong? No wala. No problem. I don't catch you. I don't need to shout to just the go.
You never pay me now.
For what?
Talk am again.
My money now. You never pay me.
Which one be your money? Olosho, you won't carry my money wrong. You still won't collect another money. Oh yeah, come.
So money now. You never pay me now.
Which your money? See, let me just tell you something. You still say you wise, Abi. You still say I just sleep like that, now be mumu. That key where you dey find, I know say you go carry my money wrong. Now why I put this entrance key inside your bag? Calm down. You go just calm down. Shebi you think say na only you wise? See. You see am? Sorry. Now this entrance key be this. I go open am for you. You think say you wise? Now inside your bag the key dey come. If you touch me again, I go touch where you no good for your body. Come here, money.
You never pay me.
You don't collect money. Never. Just shift. Make I open the door. Since say na only you fight. Now move.
Wait, my money.
Eat your money. Hey! Now so these idiots for carry my money wrong. Olosho.